Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about getting started with smart home automation in 2025 and how you can create a connected, smart environment in your home. First, to start your smart home setup, you'll need a central hub. This could be a smart speaker like Amazon Echo or Google Nest or a dedicated smart home hub. This will allow you to control all your devices from one place, either through voice commands or an app. Next, it's essential to choose the right smart devices. You can start with smart lights, thermostats, and smart plugs. These devices are easy to set up and offer significant benefits, like controlling your lighting or temperature remotely. For more advanced automation, you can incorporate smart security systems, such as cameras, smart locks, and doorbell cameras to enhance your home's security. This allows you to monitor your home from anywhere using your smartphone. Integration is key. Choose devices that work well together and are compatible with your central hub. For example, smart lights that work with Alexa or Google Assistant will give you more control and flexibility. Finally, don't forget about automation. Set up routines to make your home smarter, such as programming your lights to turn on at sunset or your thermostat to adjust based on your schedule. This will make your life easier and more energy efficient. By following these simple steps, you can start building your smart home from scratch in 2025, making it more connected, efficient, and secure. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.